Everyone calls the RAV4 the safe, practical, reliable choice. And they are right. But what if that same reliable SUV could give you supercar presence, first-class luxury, and sports car performance? Today on Auto Xpert, we are reviewing the RAV4 Luxury Edition PHEV Widebody. In the next 8 minutes, I will give you a complete walk-around, deep interior tour, real performance figures, and my honest final verdict. Let's start. Welcome to Auto Xpert, where we do honest, detailed, and practical car reviews. If you are new here, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get into the review. Exterior, front and side. Let's start with the exterior, starting from the front. The entire front fascia is completely redesigned. From the stock RAV4, the grille is larger, deeper, with a 3D honeycomb pattern. The emblem is more prominent. The front bumper is all new. You get a large front splitter with vertical fins that help with aerodynamics by channeling air around the wheels. You also get large side air intakes and vertical LED daytime running lights. The headlights are full LED projector units, slimmer and sharper than stock, with a very distinctive DRL signature and adaptive function. Moving to the side profile, this is where the wide-body conversion is most visible. The fender flares are extended by several inches, made from composite material with exposed bolt hardware for a motorsport look. This wider track improves stability. Side mirrors are slimmer, more aerodynamic, with integrated turn signals and cameras for the 360-degree system. Side skirts are deeper and sculpted to visually lower the SUV. You get 22-inch forged alloy wheels with low-profile performance, tires, and an upgraded big brake kit behind them. The PHEV badging on the fender confirms the plug-in hybrid system. Exterior, rear. At the rear, the changes are equally dramatic. You get a larger, more sculpted roof spoiler with integrated brake light. Tail lamps are full LED with a new smoked design and sharper light signature. The rear bumper is completely new. It features a massive rear diffuser with vertical, fins and quad exhaust tips integrated cleanly. The tailgate is rebadged with the Luxury Edition emblem, and all sensors and cameras are neatly hidden. Overall, from the rear, the SUV looks much wider, lower, and more premium. It has serious road presence. Lighting and tech. Technology-wise, this edition adds a full welcome light sequence. On unlocking, the headlights, DRLs, mirror indicators, and tail lamps do a sequential animation. You also get adaptive headlights that turn with steering. Auto high beam assist, full LED interior lighting, multicolor ambient lighting, puddle lamps with logo projection, and a 360-degree camera system. Small details, but they make the ownership experience feel luxurious. Interior. Now step inside. And this is where it truly becomes a luxury edition. The entire cabin is retrimmed. Dashboard, door panels, and center console are wrapped in premium Nappa leather with contrast stitching and carbon fiber trim inserts. The steering wheel is new, thicker rim, perforated leather, with controls for media, cruise, and driver assist. Behind it is a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster showing navigation, hybrid power flow, battery status, and more. The center features a large touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and PHEV-specific displays like electric range and energy consumption. Seats are the highlight. Fully electric, heated, ventilated, with diamond quilting and embroidered branding, memory and lumbar support. Rear seats offer excellent legroom, recline function, USB ports, and AC vents. You also get a panoramic sunroof, JBL premium audio, wireless charging, head-up display, and dual-zone climate control. Practicality is still intact. 60/40 split rear seats, large boot with underfloor storage for the charging cable, and plenty of storage spaces, so you gain luxury without losing practicality. Safety. Safety remains a Toyota strength. You get Toyota Safety Sense, pre-collision with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control, road sign assist, and automatic high beams, plus blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors with automatic braking, and 7 airbags. The PHEV battery has additional protection, and the chassis is reinforced due to the wide-body conversion. Performance. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter petrol engine paired with dual electric motors for effective all-wheel drive. Combined output is over 300 horsepower. 0 to 100 km/h takes under 6 seconds, thanks to instant electric torque. You get multiple modes. EV mode with 60 to 70 kilometers of pure electric range for daily use. Hybrid mode, auto mode, and sport mode. The suspension is retuned for the wider track and bigger wheels, slightly firmer, but much more stable at high speed. With less body roll, steering is more weighted and precise, and thanks to extra sound deadening, the cabin is extremely quiet. Verdict and outro. Final verdict from Auto Xpert. Pros: unique wide-body design, Toyota reliability with true luxury craftsmanship, powerful and efficient PHEV system with EV range, and outstanding road presence. Cons: being a custom conversion. Cost is higher than stock, and availability is limited. Overall score: 9.5 out of 10. If you want a reliable SUV that looks, feels, and drives like a luxury product from a segment above, this luxury edition is absolutely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe to Auto Xpert, and press the bell icon. Comment below, what should we review next? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Oh!